In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Figma link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a link that's easy to send to teammates or stakeholders, and how to pick the right permission so everyone sees exactly what they need. First, open your Figma file. You can do this from the Recent Files section or your project space. Give the file a second to load all layers and pages. Figma saves automatically, so any changes you've just made will be included. This way, the person receiving your link will see the most up-to-date version as soon as they open it. Next, look to the top right corner of the Figma interface and click the Share button. It's hard to miss. This opens a small window that controls who can access the file and what they're allowed to do. Think of this window as your control center for sharing. Before you copy anything, take a moment here to confirm the right permission. Under Permissions, choose what level of access you want to grant. If you only want someone to look at the design, select View. This is perfect for reviews, approvals, or when sharing with clients and stakeholders who don't need to change anything. If you're actively collaborating with teammates who will move layers, adjust components, or leave edits directly in the file, choose Can Edit. Remember, edit access allows others to modify your work, so reserve it for trusted collaborators and active design partners. You can always switch back to View later if you need to limit changes after feedback is collected. Once you've set the appropriate permission, click Copy Link. Figma will place the link on your clipboard instantly. From there, paste it wherever you need: a chat message, an email, a task in your project management tool, or a meeting agenda. The recipient can open the link in their browser or the Figma desktop app, and they'll see the file with the exact permission you set. If someone reports they can't view or edit, double-check the permission you selected and whether they're signed in with the correct account. That's all there is to it. Open your file, hit Share, pick View, or Can Edit based on what you want people to do, and then copy and send the link. Keeping a habit of choosing View for broad audiences and Can Edit only for collaborators will help protect your work while keeping your team moving. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.